Hey, hey, y'all. Look, hold on. Let me fix myself because I do get have respect. But listen, y'all. I've got my American Bullet, and he is really tripping me out right now, y'all, because I done let him outside about 4 or 5 times today. So I need to understand what does he really want, because he is really making me laugh today. Because he, I need y'all to check him out. Because check out where he is, y'all. What is it, Petey? Pete, what is it? What is it? You done came outside 3 or 4 times. Like, what do you... What is it that you want? You done came outside. You supposed to use the bathroom and everything. Like, what's wrong now? For real? What's wrong now? But you were supposed to use it already, though. Like, y'all see this? That's how you gonna do. But you were supposed to... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. You were... No. Hey. No, you were supposed to wait. He act like he gotta come out here real bad. That's how you gonna do me. That's how you gonna do me. But you were supposed to already came out here. Y'all see how he doing me? You come on, come on, come on. Look, y'all seriously. This is what I go through, and all he don't even want to come outside. He just want to be out here because I'm out here. Like, I'm supposed to rub him. This is what I'm supposed to do. Like, break it down to me. Like, what? How does this go? Like, for real? How does this go? I'm not understanding it. Look, peas. Like, he is a mess